Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to change a glow plug on a Opel Astra K 1.6 diesel 2016. At this type and model, the error is not correctly shown on the dashboard, so you will need an ODB scanner to read it. If you don't have one, please find the link below to get it from Amazon. After checking, I found out that glow plug number 2 was the broken one. In order to perform this change, you will need the glow plug and the torque wrench. I had sprayed the glow plug with WD-40 twice in the last 2 days when I arrived home from work, and the engine was still hot, as this helps to loosen it up. Please do the same if you don't want any surprises. Check that the area around the glow plug is clean before removing it, as all that dirt will enter the engine and cause other troubles. Mine was not clean, so I had to clean it first.
Ci sono le calme mai da te? È stato da giù? Con due pasta mi sono rimasto. Ok. Ah, sì. Я продолжал, да, уже? Малер пошел, да? А еще уже я занимался за это дорого. Что за это? А, это готово, я понял. Okej, jag kan även bilda sig på det sättet. Poteme dora da momento, perché non lo live.
Set the torque to 15 Nm before putting the new glow plug in place.
바퀴 다시.
Use the ODB tool to delete the error from the car and you are done. Thanks for watching.